Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to install Docker step by step. Let's start by updating your system. Open a terminal and run the following commands to make sure all your system packages are up to date. This will help avoid any compatibility issues during installation. The command is sudo apt-update and sudo apt-upgrade y. Next, we'll install the required dependencies. These are packages that will allow you to securely download Docker from Docker's official repository. Run the following command, sudo apt install apt-transport-https. CA certificates, curl software properties common. Now, we need to add Docker's official GPG key. This key ensures the authenticity of the Docker packages we will download. Please find the command to copy from the description below. Paste this command into your terminal. Next, we'll set up Docker's stable repository. This will allow us to easily install the latest stable version of Docker on Ubuntu. Please find the command to copy from the description below. Dev null. Now that we've added the repository, it's time to install Docker. Install Docker using this command, sudo apt install docker c. Press Y and hit enter. You also want Docker to start automatically every time your system boots. Run the command sudo systemtl enable ---- now. Docker. Hit enter. To confirm that Docker has been successfully installed, you can check its version by running sudo docker version. If everything went well, you should see the Docker version number. Finally, let's test the installation. Sudo docker run hello-world. This will download a test image from Docker Hub and display a success message if everything is set up correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Docker on Ubuntu. Docker is now ready to help you manage your containers and applications. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.